this is ZJ. I'm doing an oil change on my mommy's Corvette Fusion.
Corvette?
I wish.
What kind of car is it?
Corvette? I don't know the brand.
A Ford Fusion. A 2017 Ford Fusion with the 2.5.
Okay. First, I'm going to slide the oil pan under the car.
Keep it on.
Okay.
All right. I think you broke it loose. Now try to get it with your finger. Just let it fall, okay? That under. Why do we do that?
For the bad oil gets in there.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to take off the oil filter.
Show them where it's at.
Right here.
Yep, that's okay. Just grab it. It's just oil. Yep, keep unscrewing it. It's oil. Who cares?
I think that's good.
No, you got to take it off.
Will oil burn me?
No, it's not hot oil.
Oh.
Don't let it fall. You got to unscrew it with your hand. That way you can, because that's full of oil too. Ooh. Pick it up. Hurry up. Pick it up. And why do you change that oil filter?
Because it's bad oil.
And put a clean one in.
I think the oil is out.
Yeah, but we don't put that one back in the car. We got a brand new one to put in.
Make sure you always put oil on the ring.
Come here. Nope.
Oh.
That's all right.
Like that deep?
Yep. Oops, around there. Make sure you get it nice and oily. Just the rubber ring, buddy. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Now what are we gonna do?
Put it on. Dump the oil into here.
Yeah. Okay. Here.
Could I dump it in?
Nice
I
and
might
slow.
miss. I might miss. Couple tries.
Okay.
I'm throwing the oil filter on. Gah. I think it's already on. It's already on.
Nice and tight.
Yeah.
You got it nice and tight already?
Mm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Now what are we gonna do?
Put the oil cap on.
The oil plug back on?
Oil plug back on.
Does it look like it's done draining?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
I'm showing the oil plug back on.
Okay.
What way do we screw on?
Other way.
Okay.
Now throw your ratchet on there. Make sure it's nice and straight all the way on. Yep. And pull down on it. Okay. Alright, take it off there. It's going to bust you in the head. Alright. Now what do we got to do?
And oil.
Put oil in it?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Now we're going to put new oil in it, and it almost holds 6 quarts.
Hold it sideways whenever. You're tipping it the wrong way, bud. Like this.
Then we tip it.
Don't drop it, okay? Slow down, slow down, slow down. You gotta let that drain down a little bit. Hold that bottle there, okay? No, back right here. Hold that bottle there.
What if oil gets on different stuff? Could I dump more in?
Yep. Dump the rest of that. Just let it drain for a second. Like that.
Okay. I think it's done draining. I think it's done. Whoa.
Okay. So that's 5 quarts.
So I have a little bit more to go.
Yep. And this is 1 quart. It's a little bit less than 1 quart.
And I could hold it right down there. What if you get oil on all this stuff?
And you want to wipe as much of it up as you can.
What if you can't wipe any of it until it goes down there?
Well, then it'll burn off.
So it will start your car on fire?
No. Is that it?
Yes.
Good job, bro.
And now I'm gonna start it and let the oil circulate.
Sounds good, man. Give it some gas.
How much gas?
Let go with a brake.
Where's the gas pedal?
The other one.
Will it not go forward?
You're gonna blow it away. Alright, shut it off.
Thanks for watching, everybody.